So, hello everyone, I am Monika from IELTS 9. How you can get 8 plus band scores in IELTS Writing Task 1. So, definitely with the help of vocabulary, with the help of sentence structure, and with the help of your time limit and the paragraphing of the answers, so many things are responsible for getting 8 plus band scores. But if I say there is no need to learn any extra vocabulary for writing task 1, specifically for process diagram. Okay, and you can learn templates also. But for special process diagram, you don't need to learn any vocabulary, extra vocabulary, I mean to say, only with the help of these words, whatever they have explained it, whatever they have just written on that diagram, on with the help of these words or vocabulary, you can say we need to use only passive voice. Yes, only with the help of passive voice you can easily get 8 plus band scores in IELTS writing task 1. But it doesn't mean that you are going to repeat the words like just learn all the rules for writing task 1. Before starting this process diagram, let's revise all the rules for writing task 1. That is, you all know minimum 150 words, but it doesn't mean that you will be writing 300 words. No. So, just whatever it is given, please explain it properly. Whether it will come out 200 words or 180 or 170 or 190, that doesn't matter. Explain it properly, and 3 or 4 paragraphs are required. If you write in one big paragraph, there will be no guarantee of 6 band scores in that. And sentence structure also, please just use variety of sentence structures in your writing task 1 and even in writing task 2. And of course, no repetition of verbs. Okay, and words also, templates, you can learn it. Now let's read the question statement and let's start this video. How to write 8 plus band scores in writing task 1. How to get 8 plus band scores. So in actual hearing, if you just go through 8 plus band scores, definitely you can achieve it with daily practice. Okay, let's read the question statement process diagram. The diagrams below show the process of preparing raw materials for ceramic tiles and the steps involved in manufacturing them. Itself, the question statement says the diagrams. There are two diagrams, of course, the preparation of raw materials. Just here they are showing two diagrams, preparation of raw materials and manufacturing of tiles. So here also in question statement they are saying the process of preparing raw materials for ceramic tiles and the steps. It means there are two types of process diagram. Process is there. So first is raw material, second is final finished product. So first preparation of raw materials is starting with mixer and grinder. They are mixing clay plus water and result will be moist slurry, and then this slurry will go into filter process, and then here moisture will be removed and spray dryer powder tile process drying chamber. Here temperatures are given 100 degree to 200 degrees Celsius and 1 or 2 3 days, and then coating applied on with the help of glazing machines, and then again kiln is also there, and then this is finished product. Now I have read this process diagram. I can see here almost 7 steps are there, or you can say 2 steps are there, mainly starting from preparation of raw materials and then finished products. Okay. Now, as you know, as I told you, there must be 3 or 4 paragraphs for process diagram or any other task 1. How? First will be introduction, second will be overall paragraph, third will be third body paragraph will be explanation, and fourth body paragraph will be explanation about another thing. So means 4 paragraphs there. So first introduction and overall paragraph I will be telling you how to write, and third body paragraph will be about, we will discuss about this first process, manufacturing of raw material, and fourth body paragraph will be about this, the manufacturing process, last process. Okay, so let's move to how to write introduction for writing task 1. Okay, so before starting paragraphs, introduction paragraph, please do subscribe, like my video and do positive comment. If any problem is there in writing task 1 and 2, please do comment here. Okay, so introduction means, so writing task 1 and 2, introduction means you have to paraphrase the question statement. Means you have to you don't have to change the meaning. In fact, you need to change some words or sentence structure, but meaning should be same. So the diagrams here it is given. So what we have written, the illustrations or two illustrations you can say. They see this. There are two illustrations. First is for preparation of raw material and second is for manufacturing. So here it is given the what we have written, the given two illustrations we can write demonstrate. Instead of below we have written demonstrate or depict also you can write how to prepare for how to prepare raw materials and the procedure of producing ceramic tiles. Here it is given the process of preparing raw materials for ceramic tiles, comma, and the steps involved in manufacturing them. So what we have written, how to prepare raw materials and procedure of producing ceramic tiles. So this is introduction. We have paraphrased the question statement and sentence structure also. We have changed the sentence structure also. Now coming to overall paragraph. What is overall paragraph? Indirectly, you can say it's a conclusion of writing task 1. Whatever you can see, just a minute. Whatever you can see from your eyes about this diagram, we have already discussed that there are primarily 7 steps involved in manufacturing this tile. So how we can write it? Just a minute. See this. Overall, just a minute. Yeah. So overall, it can be seen. So what I have done, highlighted some words. You can see these are template language. You can use it in any task 1. The overall, it can be seen that the tile manufacturing process primarily involves 2 steps. Why I am saying 2 steps? Because there were 2 process, preparing of raw material and the steps involved in manufacturing. So I will be showing you 7 steps 7 steps option also. So the tile manufacturing process primarily involves 2 steps. Okay, so of course in every process steps will be there. So you, if there are 10 steps, you can always write that dash manufacturing process involves primarily involves 10 steps or 2 steps or 8 steps. So this is also a language, you can learn it for any process diagram. The preparation of raw materials with the usage of machines and the production of final products. So of course machines are there, as I shown it to you. See this, these are machinery: mixer, grinder, filter process, spray dryer, the press. Okay. The manufacturing process primarily involves 2 steps: the preparation of raw materials with the usage of machines and the production of final products, which involves temperature based machineries. Of course, kiln was also there, temperatures were also written. That's why. Now, another option you can write, overall, it can be observed that same thing, I have just paraphrased the thing, that the tile manufacturer, so this is the same ready-made language, you can learn it. The tile, the main thing here, the tile making process consists of 7 main stages. So as I told you, there are we can see 7 stages, beginning with the or starting with the mixing and grinding of clay and water, and ending. So first we have taken the name of beginning, first step, and we have taken the name of end step, and finishing with the substance being fired inside a kiln. So that's the thing, you can opt for this kind of overall paragraph or you can opt for this kind of process. Basically, majorly I use this second kind of overall process in all my videos, in all my writing task 1 answer process diagram. You can see this kind of overall paragraph I am writing it every time. Now coming to body paragraphs. Now how we will write in body paragraph 3 means first introduction paragraph, second overall paragraph, and then this is body paragraph 3 we can say. So first we will talk about this preparation of raw materials. So to begin with the first operation, or in terms of the first operation we can write it. Okay. So these are language. So it doesn't mean that both the things you can't write. So either you opt for this to begin with the first stage, or in terms of the first, or you write it this. I have given option. So, in terms of the first operation, clay and water are combined in a mixture and grinder. See this. I am using this passive voice. This is the thing you need to write in task 1 for getting 8 plus band scores in writing task 1. Okay. Clay and water are combined in a mixture and grinder. So, everything we will be using it from here. No other extra vocabulary I will be using it, resulting, what is the result of that? It will become moist slurry, resulting in a moist slurry. Okay, now second, after this the produced mixture, so this is the produced mixture, is injected or into a filter process, is injected, or you can use it, the produced mixture is put into a filter press where moisture is removed. See this, where moisture is removed. Okay, next step. In the next phase in tile manufacturing, this substance is subjected to spray dryer. See this is spray dryer, and resulting in a powder. What will happen? A powder will become. Okay, which is later, now we have combined two steps, which is later transported to a tile press. See, this is tile press ready to manufacture the tile. Okay, so this is about preparation of raw material paragraph. So successfully we have written, and no extra vocabulary is I have used it here. Now coming to the last this process, the manufacturing. This diagram, process diagram or task 1 is really important. If you just write it on a daily basis, then it will be easier for you to write in actual exam. And in fact, just believe me, if in 14 or 15 minutes you can finish this writing task 1 if you have done practice, more practice at home. So second, we will talk about this tile manufacturing. Let's start regarding the production of finished product, or you can start in the second major stage or step, the newly formed tiles. So here we are talking about tiles. The newly formed tiles are dried in a drying chamber. It is are dried in a drying chamber at a moderate heat. See this, if you don't want to use this moderate word, then it is okay, to at a moderate heat ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius for 1 to 3 days. So this we have explained. Now coming to second one, in the following step, heated tiles. Okay, so tiles were heated over here, as we can understand that this is drying chamber, temperature is there. Heated tiles are coated in a are coated word, it is there. Heated tiles are coated in a glazing machine before delivered to a kiln. This is kiln, where they are combusted at a high. So combustion word, yes, you can say this is this vocabulary we have used. Otherwise, no other extra vocabulary we have used. Where they are combusted at high temperatures from 1000 degree to 1250 degree for 20 to 30 minutes. So we have clearly explained third step also. Lastly, or at the end you can say, or in the end you can say, the final products are prepared and ready for different applications in homes, offices, pathways and restroom. This I have added from my side. So this you can write it, writing task 1. Now you can check my full answer. This is my introduction, and this is overall paragraph. I have given two options for overall paragraph. This is first and this is second one. Okay, and this is body paragraph 3, talking about this first step, preparation of raw material, and then again we have the last paragraph about this second one, this one. So we have explained it well. So just try to write with me whenever I am making video. Definitely you can get benefit of this.